Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are continuing with our R2 build. We have issue 26 here, and we have a part, maybe a couple parts buried underneath, I'm not sure. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Alright, so here are the parts that we get with this issue. Not terribly many. We've got inner wheel support plate, the axle, and a bearing. This is all going to go on the right leg. If you take a look, this support plate here has a design on one side. It is smooth on the other. I've also got 4 of the longer silver screws here. It says 6mm screws. I'm an American. I don't really have anything that measures in millimeters, so I'm guessing that these longer silver screws are the 6mm screw. We're also going to need this assembly from the previous issues, the right leg, as well as the wheel that we assembled. Now to begin with the outer portion of the leg facing us, and the designed portion here, you're going to want to fit this assembly right here. And if you take a look, there are a couple of little pegs here. Those are going to go in the center holes on either side. And here's where you put in the 4 longer silver screws, right here and here, to hold it in place. Okay. It's in there nice and tight, although if you take a look at the back, those screws are coming out quite a ways, so maybe I got that wrong. Let's see what one of the smaller silver screws does. Alright, look at that. That smaller silver screw, it's not quite flush, but it is certainly a lot better than the longer ones. I'm going to replace all these long silver screws with the short ones. Alright, there we go. We've got it replaced with all of the shorter silver screws. It certainly looks better. Alright, well, next step is to take this bearing. We're just going to slip it right into that slot right there. Now we've got the wheel, and with the wheel we can take the axle and slide it in. Now, I don't know that it matters, but in the instructions, the side with the screws is where this peg comes out. So I'm just going to follow the directions that way. We can slide that into the bearing and we'll rotate, but there's nothing holding it in place at the moment, so this is going to be loose, at least until we get some more parts to get that seated properly. And that concludes stage 26. Well, that was interesting. Stage 26 complete, a little iffy on the screws. I really hope I got the right ones in there. I don't see any purpose to have the long ones in place, but well, I guess we'll find out down the road. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next time. Have a great day.